Good morning. Here at Insured Family, we believe insurance should make sense before you actually need it. Today, I want to explain three very important parts of personal auto to help you understand what your policy is or what you're purchasing within your policy. Split limits, uninsured motorist, and underinsured motorist. If you've ever seen numbers like 25, 50, 25, 50, 100, 50, or 100, 300, 100, and you wasn't sure what it meant, then this video is for you. Liability coverage is going to apply when you're at fault in an accident. It's going to pay for the other person's injuries, their property damage. It does not pay for your vehicle. Those three numbers that you see on your policy, they're called a split limit. Here's what they mean. The first number is bodily injury per person. That second number is bodily injury per accident. That third number is property damage per accident. So let's use an example of a 100, 300, 100 and what that means. So that means you would have up to 100,000 for injuries to any one person in that accident, up to 300,000 for everyone injured in that accident, and 100,000 for property damage in that accident. So you can see by this, if your policy is say 25, 50, 25, which is often your state minimum and is here in our state, those limits can disappear very fast in a serious accident. You may say, why does that matter? Well, if an accident costs more than your liability limits, you're personally responsible for the rest. That can mean your savings, your paycheck, or your assets. Actually, higher limits usually cost much less than people expect. Let's look at uninsured motorists. We'll talk about the protection for you. Uninsured motorist coverage applies when the other driver has no insurance or they leave the scene. Even though insurance is required, many drivers are still uninsured. This coverage can help pay for medical bills, lost wages, or pain and suffering. Underinsured motorist is another coverage that applies when the other driver has insurance but not enough. For example, your injuries cost $150,000. The other driver only has 25, 50, 25 coverage. The underinsured motorist on your policy would help bridge that gap, and without it, that gap may fall on you. So, in closing, auto insurance isn't just about legal minimums, it's about protecting you, your family, your assets, and your future. Here at Insured Family, we're here to help, understand any coverage that you may have or coverage gaps that you may have before something actually happens and you need it and don't have it. So if you're unsure what your limits are or what you need, reach out to us today. We're here to help. Be glad to help you in any way we can. You can give us a call, 662-263-3154. Look us up on our website at www.insured-family.com. That's INSURED-family.com. And any of our social media platforms, you can shoot us a direct message. We certainly thank each and every one of you for listening. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you being a part of our family, and we hope this helps you understand what those limits or split limits of liability, underinsured and uninsured motorists means for you and your family. Again, thank you for watching, for being a part of our family. God bless each of you. We'll see you on Thursday.